like to make unusual things, and wreaths are no exception. They can enhance and update your home to look fabulous. Since I love to decorate for fall, here is a rustic fall wreath. It was inspired by West Wing, France. DIY fall look with beads, popsicle sticks, E6000, a wire ring, glue, jute, and real dried forage plants. So let's get started. First, I used a 12 by 5 inch round metal ring from Dollar Tree. And then I hot glued it with E6000, attaching the first bead to the ring. Now, it was a little tough because it did not want to adhere, so I had to let the first bead dry fully overnight. I contrasted and alternated orange beads with natural wood beads until I reached the other side. I think alternating the beads give it a nice flare. Now it was time to put the holder on. Because it was a little rustic, I attached and alternated 3 beads on a 14-inch length of jute. When you fold it, it becomes a hanger and it's like 7 inches. This is so cool, and it's ready to be dressed up and hung on the front door. In the opening of the beads, I added something unusual. I added some bunny tails. Some are dyed. I added some leaves, some wheat, some pampas grass, some lavender, and other forage plants, and hung it up. It has attracted the attention of my neighbors, and I love the originality of it. All of the supplies can be picked up from the Dollar Tree. So get started and let me see what you make. And be sure to tag me. If you like what you have seen today, please like, comment, save, and subscribe. In addition, you can follow me on Instagram at Z9Designs. Thank you. Have a lovely day.